Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, we understand our question. The program has to accept two distances in feet and inch as the input, and we have to print the sum of two distances, and then we have to add the x inches to the sum, that is to the new distances, and then print the revised sum. So here we have to get the two distances, and in feet and inches also we have to get the ex, and then we have to print the sum of two distances and then add ex inches to the new distance and print the revised sum. So 1 foot is equal to 12 feet. This is a thing we must know. Now we'll take our first test case. So in this test case we have the two distances and the ex 5. So this is d1, this is d2. Now this is x, and we have to do the sum of d1 and d2, which gives d3. So d3 is, so now first we'll add the inches, that is 11 plus 12, sorry, 11 plus 10. So it is 21, and then we have the feet, that is 4 plus 2, it is 6. And now here we can see 1 foot is equal to 12 feet. So we are going to divide this 21 and add it to here. So 21, here it is 6 plus 1, it is 7, because 21 mod 12 is equal to 1. So here 21 mod 7 equal to 0. Uh, Sorry, here there's a mistake. So here we have 21 modulo 12. So 21 modulo 12 gives us 9. Since 1 foot equal to 12 feet, we must divide by modulo by 12. So 21 modulo 12, here it is 9. And here it is 21 double division double slash 12, which gives 7. So 7 and 9 will be our D3. And now, after getting 7 and 9 as our new distance, we have to add x to it. So feet equal to 7 and inches is equal to 9. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. And then since it is 12 feet, we have to do modulo. So that is double slash 12. And here it will do the modulo. So here it is 8 and here it is 2. So Now the new distance is 82. So this will be our output. Now we'll understand how to solve this program. So first we are going to import the class distance from the file distance, and then we are getting the inputs feet and inches, and then we are assigning the distance to distance 1 and having containing the feet and inches. Similarly, we'll have it for distance 2, and then we're getting the x inches, and then we have the distance 3 as distance 1 plus distance 2, and we are printing the distance 3, and after that we are adding the x inches to distance 3, and then we are printing the new distance 3. So now we'll see how this class distance is defined. So here we have the class distance, and inside that first we're going to have the distance. So def of the initial. So here we have self comma feet comma inches, and inside it we'll have the self dot feet equal to feet, and then we have self dot inches equal to inches, and after this we are going to have the sum of distance 1 plus distance 2. So for that we'll define the function add, and inside the parameters will be self comma other. So we are going to add the self feet and the other feet and self inches and the other inches. So the new feet will be self feet plus the other feet, and similarly the new, so we are just adding, so the new inches will be self dot inch plus other dot inches. So now we have got the new feet and the new inches. So we have got the distance. So we are going to just return the distance of new feet and new inches plus new inches double slash 12. So here we have used double slash 12 because we are converting those inches into feet and adding it to new feet. As we know, 1 foot equal to 12 inches. So after this, it is new inches modulo 12. Now after the addition, we have got distance 3, and then now we are going to add the x inches to distance 3. So str function of self, and here will return the str of self dot feet plus space separating and the self dot inches. So in this str function, we are printing distance 3, and then now we are going to add x inches to distance 3. So after that, now we are going to add inches. So first we found the distance 3 by adding the sum of distance 1 plus distance 2, and then we print them, and then now we are going to add the x inches by self dot feet equal to self dot feet plus self dot inches plus x, double slash 12. And you know the reason why we are using the double slash 12. As you know, that is 1 foot equal to 12 inches. So we are converting it to feet and adding it to feet. And here self dot inches will be self dot inches, the same thing, but here it will be in modulo. So this will give us the required output.